welcome to our channel. Today I'll teach you how to replace values when importing data. As you can see, we have already imported some data into our Power BI report. Before we see how to do it, let me show you this example. The data that we imported on the column business type is misspelled. As you can see here, warehouse is not correct. So we need to replace where space house with warehouse. To replace the values, we need to go to the transform data. When the Power Query window open, on the query tab, we need to select the data source where we want to replace the values. Select the column that contains the value that you want to replace. On this scenario is business type, and then click on the transform tab, replace values, and a new window will be opened. In the value to find, enter the name of the value that you want to replace. Here will be warehouse with a space in the middle. And then in the replace suite, we type the correct value and then click OK. As you can see here in the applied step, you have a new step, replace value. When you have completed all the steps that you want to take, you can select close and apply. Here in the tab Home, close and apply. And here the data will be reloaded, and as you can see, the misspelled word was replaced. So every time that you click on refresh, the replace will be applied. So this is it, a quick tutorial to understand how to replace values when importing data. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get all the channel updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!